I be rolling with the squad, we be going so hard like whoa. You know what it is, and we always get it in.
Look at that boy Martin over here putting in work. Damn, this whole stupid clean though. Damn. But we finna go outside and get a ride in this Booster G real quick. Supercharged. Look, little Hell Keezy right there. Oh, she on E85, huh? Oh, hell yeah. Damn, look at this thing. Hey, wanna pop the hood real quick? Oh, shit.
My belt actually snapped today.
Word. Oh yeah, I seen it on your story.
Yeah, that's a snap.
So you want to explain to us what's all done? What are we looking at right here?
We got a Z1 Supercharger, 1300 cc, twin fuel pump. Basically everything's upgraded. I have other things, but I forgot what it is. But
okay,
that's basically it.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
So guys, we're finna go on a ride on this one. Are you okay with disclosing your power, or you can keep that in your secrets if you want to?
I'm not gonna say anything right now.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's cool.
Sure.
We'll keep that off camera, y'all. But we got the RPF ones back there. All right, let's go.
I've been racing any like cars yet. Yeah, I'll do a little thing.
See what this Supercharger here for. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like that. Oh yeah. Nah, this old got some get-go. Oh yeah, this whole feels good.
You don't really see that many all-wheel drive supercharged Infinities.
This whole feels good. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, this whole takes off pretty good. Now I would tell you, for sure, I make more power than you.
For real?
For sure.
Damn.
But it's okay.
It's
But she's still fast. It still feels like my G, but the difference is, I don't know, I think turbos pull a little harder.
Yes.
But this feels good. Like, I feel like this is whatever you're making is a good amount.
Yeah.
It's a good amouount.
I can drive it?
You want me to drive?
Yeah, drive it. So I can feel it.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
But it should
I ain't gonna say no. I mean, you can.
Okay.
I don't give a damn. I be traveling and shit.
Alright.
Oh, this whole feels good. You want to go back that way? Or
Yeah, you can go back that way. If they let you. Yeah, like honestly, I didn't do enough research before getting them at my supercharger. I know that because this makes high wheel horsepower but lower torque. I know the turbochargers make high boost with like high torque with all that basically.
Yeah.
So I know that this supercharger makes low torque.
Yeah,
That's the thing.
But it feels good though. Like this, and it sounds good too. I like that. See, I was never a fan of superchargers and shit like that.
Yeah.
The whole
Yeah.
I think, but now I hear it in person.
Yeah.
And that shit sounds good as fuck.
Hell yeah, bro.
Damn, that shit sounds good as fuck. Damn, what exhaust setup you got?
I have the ISR.
ISR and what?
Just single exhaust. so weird in the passenger. I haven't been on the passenger yet. I have not let no one drive my car.
Really?
You're the first person.
I appreciate that. Hell yeah. Bro, this shit feels good, bro. Like, you did a good job. This shit feels better than my car, for real.
For real?
Like, low-key, I'm not even gonna lie, it rides better than my shit. Like, this shit feels good. They get this. Because I don't even think I've been in a rear-wheel drive. I mean, all-wheel drive G. This all feels good, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you did a good job with this shit.
That's a lot.
What trans you got?
The VR30 swap.
Yeah.
All-wheel drive.
But the trans, you gotta add that trans into the build.
The
That price.
The trans tune?
Yeah, you gotta add that.
I was talking to Martin. He really
Yeah, man, isn't that crazy? I'm out here at a dyno session all the way in AZ. Look at this shit. Hey, this hoe is stiff. Not gonna lie. DE, what? They got a couple shits out here. Let me show y'all around over here real quick. Oh, shit. Let's see. I drove that thing right there. What a cool guy. Appreciate you, bro, for so much. I know you're probably going to be watching this, so I appreciate you, bro. I'll drop you a C6. Yeah, but yeah, I'll drop you a whatever fuck the thing called is on the screen or whatever. Look at this thing. Twin turbo. Oh, these some small turbos. Front facing headers. Sheesh. That thing's nice. I think this one is boosted right here too. On wheels. Couple little boosted shits out here. Another boosted DE, supercharged. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hell yeah. Well, hell yeah, man. I'm here in AZ and there go the daily driver over there. Hell yeah. That boy Martin in there doing it again all the way in AZ, man.